transportation and travel tickets.
Madrid, the capital located in the heart of Spain, is served by the Madrid-Barajas Adolfo Suárez Airport, situated about 12 kilometers northeast of the city center. The airport consists of 4 main terminals, T1, T2, T3, T4, and a satellite terminal, T4S. It is known for its efficiency, wide range of services, international connections, and for being one of the busiest airports in Europe and the world. To move between the first 4 terminals, you can use the free shuttle buses. However, to travel between Terminal 4 and the Terminal 4 satellite, there is a convenient underground train, departing every 10 minutes and free of charge. The best option to reach the city center is the Metro Line 8, departing from Terminals 2 and 4 in the direction of Nuevo Ministerios. Only at Terminal 4 can you also use the C1 and C10 lines of Madrid's urban and suburban train service called Cercanías. On the official airport website, you will find an updated section with all the solutions to reach various destinations, including those outside the city, thanks to buses. Pay particular attention to the 203 Airport Express line, which, for a cost of €5, will take you to the central stops at Cibeles and Atocha. Outside all terminals, you will find taxis with a special flat rate, currently €33, for all destinations inside the M30 ring road. Finally, you can also opt for an Uber driver by downloading the app, as you might for the rest of your trip. In addition to the aforementioned transport options, in Madrid, you can also use the Metro Ligero service, which is a light rail system, and especially the 2 free buses 001 and 002. Great! In reality, the metro service is more than sufficient to get around the city and reach the main attractions, as you will see by watching our fantastic animated city tour. To organize your travel, download the Metro de Madrid app, which is also useful for buses and trains. Travel tickets. As a tourist, after purchasing a rechargeable multi-card, you will have the following 4 options. Load a single ticket, whose cost will vary depending on the number of stations crossed and zones. Load a 10-trip ticket, which also includes the EMT bus service. In these 2 cases, the cost of the card is €2.50, and the fare will depend on the zone, which, unless you have special needs, will be Zone A. Load the supplement for the airport extra charge, required for metro rides to and from the airport on the first 2 options. Load a tourist ticket, available from 1 day to 7 days. In this case, the cost of the card will be included in the fare, and there will be no extra charge for the metro ride to and from the airport. Children under the age of 11 receive a 50% discount on the purchase of a tourist ticket.
Yay!
The multi-card can be purchased at metro ticket machines, tobacconists, other authorized points of sale, and Renfe Cercanías stations. Another valid alternative is to purchase the Madrid City Card, valid from 24 hours up to 5 days. In addition to traveling for free on all transport in Zone A, you will be entitled to various discounts and benefits, which can be checked on the official website, whose link is, as always, in the description. From there, you can find all the tourist information centers where it is possible to purchase it.